Hey, what's up guys? I hope you are fine. In today's video we are going to talk about the loop cut, okay? So we should go to the let me open the shortcuts again. Okay, let's press tab and let's see what's the loop cut. When I go to here, there's a loop cut mesh loop and slide it. It means that we are cutting it, but in a respectful way we are cutting it, not cutting it and open it up. No, we are cutting it, dividing it like that, we can say, dividing it without cutting it. Okay, loop cut, I'll press it and I'll come here. I can see something here. When I click on this vertical, this one becomes a loop cut in this direction. When I go to this edge, it is like a wire turning around this, isn't it? Yeah. So for example, if I come to here and click on it on this one, I'm clicking on this one and we have another opportunity to do this, but no, I will just go to the properties, loop cut and slide. We can select the number. How many numbers should it be? How many division do we want? If it's 4, you can have 4 extra divisions. For example, this face 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one was the old one, isn't it? Or this one is the old one and we can have 4 faces on this one too. So what is the smoothness? Like this is the smoothness of it, and you see, yeah, I'll just press 0 and we have types, but I'll not go to talk about it for this lesson. So I am going with the smooth one. The factors, where it should be, do you see where it should be? And I'll not talk about this. We'll talk about them in detail, but not for now. But let's see another thing, which is I can click on this one again and I can see I can move this one up, for example, up. You see, when I come to here, you see I can't put this one to the center of this because they cut each other. So I have to come to this face and click it. Later on I can click it, or I can hold my left mouse button and to select it, you see, and click, but you should hold it and come to here like this and click like this, you see, and you can choose the number of cuts, okay, like this. But I'll show you another way for this one, which is easier for the shortcut. I'll give you the shortcut, which is Control R. If I go to here, I don't have anything selected for the loop cut. I'll press Control R. I'll come here. I'll not click on anything. I'll just scroll up. You see, I can have any number I want, you see, and I can click on it, click left, and I can move it. I can put it here. If I don't want to move it, I'll press right click and it will stay in the center of it. Isn't that cool? And we can go to the properties if we made a mistake or something. So keep in mind like this, and factors, where it should be, and keep in mind when we just click on here, this will be gone, so you should be aware of that, okay? And another thing is that, which I want to show you, is that I'll go to the 3 and show you that I can do something like this, isn't it? That's cool. Let's select this, shift, and shift, extrude it like this. We can have these things in one, okay? I can select this, extrude it, and yeah, that's it. And let's go press G and X and keep it like this. I'll press Shift A and I'll go to the cube. In the cube I can select this and go to the tab, and we have another thing which is the offset edge loop cut. What I can do that is that I can go to here to select the edge, and let's select this offset edge loop cut. If I select it and do this, you see I can do it like this. I should hold my left mouse button, okay, to do that, and you can see it. You see, I can have this line here, or I can remove it like this. You see, even, you'll make them even, but it will not work for here. And let's come to here again. Let me select this and come to here, and again press this offset edge loop cut, and I'll press left and nothing will happen because we changed the geometry of this cube. So you should be aware of that, okay? For example, I can come to here again. You see, something like this happened. You should Control Z it. You should come to here, select this, and come to this offset edge loop cut and select it, and something like this, isn't it? Yeah. So later on, if I come to here again, if I select this, for example, let's select this. Let's select it and come to the offset edge loop cut. You see, it changed its geometry. So you should be aware of that. I think we will not use this one too much, but you can press what? Let's select this one. Let's select this and press Shift Control R, and you can see something like this. Shift Control R will give you this option, offset edge loop cut. Okay. Yeah, let's go to the face and press extrude, and let's extrude this here. You see, something like this. And yeah, this was it. I hope it was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.